The Vivo V50e has now been officially launched as a more budget-friendly choice within the V50 series, which made its debut earlier this year. This device comes with a classic Vivo design that is both sleek and lightweight. It measures just 7.39 millimeters in thickness and weighs 186 grams. Additionally, it boasts IP68 and IP69 ratings, providing excellent protection against water and dust, which makes it a remarkably durable device for its category. The front is primarily dominated by the 6.77-inch AMOLED display, which boasts a 1.5K resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a local maximum brightness of 1800 nits. It features a 4-curves design that adds a premium touch, typically found in high-end devices. The processor inside is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300, and it's paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, along with an additional 8GB of virtual RAM, which I personally don't like. It provides UFS 2.2 storage options with either 128 or 256 gigabytes. The battery capacity is 5,600 milliamp hours, and it supports fast charging at 90 watts. This is quite impressive, but now let me share more about its cameras. It features a 50-megapixel front camera with autofocus, making it an excellent choice for taking selfies and group photos. Additionally, it's great for recording yourself as a content creator or something similar, which is not commonly found in mid-range devices. On the back, it features a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 main sensor with optical stabilization. Additionally, it includes an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and also the traditional Aura LED that Vivo promotes on many of its devices to enhance portrait shots in low-light conditions. It operates on ColorOS 15, which is based on Android 15, and there's something significant here, because Vivo promises 3 years of operating system updates and 4 years of security patches, which also provides it with a reliable lifetime and excellent long-term support. Additionally, it features dual SIM connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth version 5.4, and an in-display fingerprint reader, along with stereo sound to enhance your experience. This device is offered in sapphire blue and pearl white colors, priced at 28,999 rupees at launch. For the model with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is approximately $340. However, keep in mind that prices here may differ from those over there. Of course, there are also pricier editions available above this one. Please let me know your thoughts on the Vivo V50e. Do you believe it provides sufficient value for its price, or do you have a preference for another option? In any case, it has been introduced in India, and we will have to wait and see if it will eventually be launched globally.